Husky Liners form-fit mudguards are made from durable, impact-resistant, all-weather thermoplastic that's as tough as nails, or rocks for that matter. And as you'll see in this video, they're ridiculously easy to install. First, let's verify the vehicle application and part number you received to ensure it matches the intended part you ordered. To do this, find the barcode on the box and check that the information matches your specific truck. Next, unpackage the mudguards, fastener kit, and instructions from the box. If you ordered a mudguard combo pack, please identify which are the front and rear mudguards. To protect your fenders against wear, you'll want to install the paint protection film over the mudguard mounting surface. For your front mudguards, turn the wheel for easy installation. We've provided both a left and right side pre-cut template. Remove the rock guards, but keep the factory fasteners. We recommend that you also reinstall the two plastic fasteners underneath the vehicle in their original factory holes. To determine where to place the paint protection film, position the mudguard on the fender. You'll notice an LH for left-hand side and an RH for right-hand side. Next, to remove the protection film from the liner and to flood the adhesive side of the film, mix a wetting solution of 1 pint of water with 4 drops of liquid dishwashing detergent. Then, using a spray bottle or sponge, wet the film with the wetting solution and remove the protection film. Thoroughly wet the location of the fender where the film will be installed with the wetting solution. Position the adhesive side of the film on the fender and flood with the wetting solution. Double check the location of the film using the mudguard and reposition if necessary. If it's positioned correctly, using a sponge or clean shop towel, squeegee any air bubbles and wrinkles from the film. You'll want to allow the film to dry before installing the mudguard. Repeat this process for both the front and rear film installation. Peel off the red protective cover from the 3M adhesive on the mudguard. Next, attach the front mudguard to the fender with the factory fasteners. You'll want to double check the fit and ensure the mudguard is parallel to the ground before tightening. Press firmly on the area with a 3M adhesive tape to make sure adhesive is set. Finally, install the spring clip over the mudguard and the fender lip at the location with the raised tick marks. Attach the mudguard to the fender with the factory fasteners. From all of us at Husky Liners, thanks for watching. And for those of you who have purchased a new set of mudguards, we appreciate your business. We hope you experience many years of increased protection for your truck. Should you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us at 800-344-8759.
Husky Liners, guaranteed for life.